All right, to measure an angle, one of the easiest ways to do that is to use the Phyphox app. Phyphox has a lot of different tools as part of it. The one that we're going to use right now is actually in the tools menu at the very bottom, and that is the one called inclination here. It actually taps into the accelerometers in your device and then tells you the angle that your device is at. I am using my iPad right now. I'm going to turn off my flip screen here so that it always stays in this orientation. But this iPad has some accelerometers in it, and if I want to see the angle that it's at, I'm going to start just by hitting this play button here, and it's going to start recording some data. Now it feels weird to like make a graph of this because we're not necessarily graphing, we're just reading the angle that it's at. And right now I'm holding it pretty flat, so it's showing me about 0 degrees. If I start to tilt this one direction, you can see that now I'm at about 25. There's a little bit of lag that you'll see. If I tilt it the other direction, you see right now it actually says a negative 25. If I tilt it the other way, it just goes positive. So all you need to really do is read the magnitude. The negative, positive doesn't matter a whole lot. It just matters to the orientation of the screen. If you are doing this or putting it on an angle and you're not seeing it change, it's possible that it's going just in the other axes. So down here, there is another graph tilting left and right. That is tilting it this other direction here. So tilting it along its long end rather than along its short end. So there are a couple different ways that you can tilt. If you want, later on, there are a couple other modes here for upright, side, or plane. But right now, flat is going to be the one you want if you're measuring something on a ramp.